IP security have a range of application specific security mechanisms. Example S/MIME, PGP, Kerberos, SSL/HTTPS. However, there are security concerns that cut across protocol layers. Would like security implemented by the network for all applications. IP security. General IP security mechanisms. It provides authentication, confidentiality, key management. Applicable to use over LANs across public and private WANs for the internet. Need identified in 1994 report. Need authentication, encryption in IPv4 and IPv6. IP security users. User system with IP security, which has IP header, IP security header, source IP payload that is passed to the public or private network for internet, and this passed to the network devices with IP sections. IP security, Ethernet switch. By using this, we are getting the IP security. Benefits of IP security. In a firewall or router, provides strong security to all traffic crossing the perimeter. In a firewall/router, is resistant to bypass. Is below transport layer, hence transparent to applications. Can be transparent to end users. Can provide security for individual users. Secures routing architecture. IP security architecture. Specification is quite complex with groups. Architecture. RFC 4301 security architecture for internet protocol. Authentication header. RFC 4302 IP authentication header. Encapsulating security payload. ESP. RFC 4303 IP encapsulating security payload. ESP. Internet key exchange. IKE. RFC 4306 internet key exchange protocol. IKE version 2 protocol. Cryptography algorithms and others. IP security services. It provides access control, connectionless integrity, data origin authentication, rejection of replayed packets, a form of partial sequence integrity. Confidentiality, that is nothing but encryption. Limited traffic flow confidentiality. Transport and tunnel modes. Transport mode, to encrypt and optionally authenticate IP data, can do traffic analysis but is efficient. Good for ESP host-to-host traffic. Tunnel mode, encrypts entire IP packet. It add a new header for next hop. No routers on way can examine inner IP header. Good for VPNs, gateway to gateway security. Transport and tunnel models. Figure A that shows the transport level security between two host internet network. It has a encrypted DCP session, and figure B that shows a virtual private network via tunnel mode, which has 4 different corporate network that connect through the internet, which has the encrypted tunnels carrying IP traffic. Transport and tunnel mode protocols for application TCP, IP and IP security. It's a transport mode. And tunnel mode, it has the application protocol, TCP protocol, IP security protocol and IP protocol. Security associations, one-way relationship between sender and receiver that afford security for traffic flow. It is defined by 3 parameters. Security parameters index, SPI, IP destination address, security protocol identifier. It has a number of other parameters, sequence number, AH and EH info, lifetime, etc. Have a database of security associations. Security policy databases. It relates IP traffic to specific ACIs. Match subset of IP traffic to relevant SA. Use selectors to filter outgoing traffic to map based on local and remote IP addresses. Next layer protocol, name, local and remote ports. Protocol UDP, local IP 1.2.3.101, port 500, remote IP for port 500, action bypass command like. So like this, ICMP protocol, TCP protocol are used for security policies. And encapsulating security payload, ESP, it provides a message content confidentiality, data origin authentication, connectionless integrity and anti-replay services, limited traffic flow confidentiality. Services depend on options selected when established security association. Net location can use a variety of encryption and authentication algorithms. encapsulating security payload, which has the integrity check value ICV and pad length. Next header, padding 0 to 255 bytes, TFC padding, optional variable, rest of payload data variable, initialization value 4 optional, sequence number and security parameter index SPI. Encryption and authentication algorithms and padding. ESP can encrypt payload data, padding, pad length and next header fields. If needed, have 4 at start of payload data. ESP can have optional ICV for integrity. Is computed after encryption is performed. ESP uses padding to expand plain text to require length, to align pad length and next header fields, to provide partial traffic flow confidentiality. Anti-replay services. Replay is when attacker resends a copy of an authenticated packet. Use sequence number to through this attack. Sender initializes sequence number to 0 when a new assay is established. Increment for each packet must not exceed limit of 2 per 32 minus 1. Receiver then accepts packet with sequence number within the window of n minus w plus 1. Combining security associations. Assays can implement either AH or ESP. To implement both, need to combine assays. Form a security association bundle. May terminate at different or same endpoints. Also, that is combined by transport adjacency, iterated channeling. Combining authentication and encryption. ESP with authentication, bundled inner ESP and outer AH, bundled inner transport and outer ESP. Combining security association, figure A case 1 and figure B case 2. For case 1, one or more assays. For case 2, tunnel assay. For case 3, tunnel assay and one or two assays used. For case 4, tunnel assay and one or two assays are used. And IP security key management. It handles key generation and distribution. Typically need 2 pairs of keys, 2 per direction for AH and ESP. Manual key management. System admin manually configures every system. Automated key management. Automated system for on-demand creation of keys for assays in large systems. It has OK and ISA-KP elements. Okay, a key exchange protocol. It is based on Diffie-Hellman key exchange. Adds features to addresses weaknesses. Number of information on parties. Man-in-middle attack cost. So add cookies groups, that is global params, nonces, DH key exchange with authentication. Can use arithmetic in prime field or elliptic curve fields. ISA-KMP, Internet Security Association and Key Management Protocol. It provides framework for key management. It defines procedures and packet formats to establish, negotiate, modify and delete assays. Independent of key exchange protocol, encryption algorithm and authentication method. IKE version 2 no longer uses OCLAY and ISA-KMP terms, but basic functionality is same here. This is initial exchanges of IKE v2. Initiator responded, and B that shows the create child assay exchange, and C information exchange. That is how the exchanges that will be happen from the initiator to the responder is given here. ISA-KMP. Figure A, IKE header. It has the length. It consists of the fields length, message ID, and the next payload, MJVer, MN version, exchange type, flag, responder security parameter index SPI, and initiator security parameter index SPI. And figure B that shows the generic payload header, which has the next payload C, reserved payload length. Totally it also have the 32 bits. IKE payloads and exchanges have a number of ISA-KMP payloads types: security association, key exchange, identifications, certificate, certificate request, authentication, nonce, notify, delete, vendor ID, traffic selector, encrypted, configuration, extensible authentication protocol. Payload has complex hierarchical structure, may contain multiple proposals with multiple protocols and multiple transforms. Cryptographic suites. Variety of cryptographic algorithm types. To promote interoperability, which have RFC 4308, which defines VPN cryptographic suites. VPN A matches common corporate VPN security is using 3 DES and HMAC. VPN B has stronger security for new VPNs, which implementing IP security version 3 and IKE version 2 using AES. RFC 4869 defines 4 cryptographic suites compatible with US NSA specifications. It provides choices for ESP and IKE, AES GCM, AES CBC, HMAC, SHA, ECP and ECD SA.